Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable two-step verification on laptop. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Gmail and log in into your Gmail account. So once you done that, you simply need to, let me switch account where I want to add. So wait for a few seconds. Okay, so once I am in my Gmail account, so I simply need to click on the profile picture on the top right. From here you need to click on manage your Google account. Then you simply need to click on security. So once you are here, you simply need to click on two-step verification. And here you need to add your password and click on next. And after that you can easily add your code. So let me add the password. So here you can see that I already added. Here you can see. So you simply need to add your number, and after that you receive a code on that, and after that your number will be verified. So this is the easy process by which you can enable two-step verification on laptop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.